Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to see how to install Podman or Docker. These are tools that are used to build, package and push containers to repositories which we can pull and use for as our execution environment. So for example, I have this container that I built for my Ansible tower and it has all the tools installed. It has Ansible collection installed. It has Python frameworks installed. I think I also have another one at Docker Hub. These are all execution environments that I built because Ansible Tower, for instance, uses the concept of execution environments and is the new way of automation. So it's more of like the DevOps thing. So you build images for runtime, then you don't need to actually build a physical infrastructure. So these are the execution environments. You see how to build them. But in the first place, let's look at how to install Docker. Installing Docker is simple. I think I have an installation of head. You just type sudo apt-y install docker.io docker -c. I think so. Let me see. Okay, so the C is not part, so I think Docker IO and I think Docker registry. These are the default commands I usually yes, so I have everything installed as you can see over here. But then you can as well follow the instructions on the Docker page on how to install for Linux. I'm using Debian, so I'm using Ubuntu. Obviously, it's just simple to install Docker, not that difficult. You can go ahead. I'll keep the link in the description, as well as Podman. Podman 2 is simple, straightforward. On Linux, we can just do for Ubuntu, or let's say Debian, you can just do this, run this command to install Podman. And I have it installed, so we can do Podman, I think hyphen version 4, same as Docker hyphen version. As you can see, I have the two installed. So these are just tools that you can use locally to build container images and push to your repository. So that's how to go about the Podman and Docker installation. It's very important. In the next video, I explain why it's very important. So as you can see over here, I have images that I've pulled from my repositories, which earlier on I was using as execution environments. But the downside to this is that when you are in a remote area, where let's say if you don't have access to internet, there'll be a need for you to have a local execution environment. So in my next video, we're going to see how to install Ansible locally in our execution environment, which is our physical VM. Thank you for watching this video and see you in my next video.